Hi, my name is Molly Smith, and this is my final tutoring report on my Methods of Teaching Early Literacy class. For this project, my student's name was Anna, and she was in kindergarten. I completed this worksheet one lesson. It would have been lesson 2 with Anna. And as you can see in the picture on the bottom right, she really struggled to write the words correctly that I gave her. She got most of the letters correctly, but struggled to put them in the correct order. And there was things such as blends, common long vowels, and short vowels that she missed almost completely. She was placed in the late emergent category. I recognized that the ones that she struggled with were closer to the ending letters, but she was able to identify majority of the initial letters of the words. For some word study activities that we did, one of the books that I picked out was The Honeybee. For this activity, I found some objects that were talked about in the book, and I used them for part of my activity. I know that Anna likes to be outdoors, so that is partially why I picked this book. She enjoys plants and insects, and this book, as you can tell, is about honeybees. Thought it would be interesting for her, and then she could connect it to her life. I know that she is a late emergent letter alphabetic stage, so I chose an activity from the Words Their Way textbook that can help her complete on identifying images and sounding out words based on their image. So as you can see on the far right, I have different pictures, and with those pictures, like socks, it starts with the letter S. So she would have to sound out the word that correlated to that picture and then put it in the correct category. So for this, it would go in the S category. She really enjoyed this activity and was able to do it without much struggling or without much help. I struggled to get her out of her comfort zone for this, but it was a good last activity that I had with her. Another activity that I had with Anna was a Words Their Way activity, and this one I called the rain cloud. So this one, on the bottom left image, there were different ending sounds or starting sounds that she had to connect the words to. She really struggled with this one, and I had to adjust it from there. So the right picture, I had her create words that were in the book Iowa from the Sky. She struggled with this one a lot more than I expected, and that's when I had to do the honeybee activity. Eventually, she got the hang of it towards the end of the activity, but it was still a very big struggle for her. These are some of the books that I picked out for us to read. The first one is Iowa from the Sky by Sharon Rexroth, The Pout Pout Fish by Deborah Deason, The Hunter and the Animals, and The Honeybee. The student that I was with was Anna, and she loved the outdoors and all types of animals. She told me that her family does small vacations within the state. I was able to find a book about the state of Iowa and different places to visit within the state. The Pout Pout Fish was a cute and fun book about a sad fish. She was very interactive during this reading, and she would love to guess what would happen and if the fish would ever be happy. The Hunter and the Animals and the Honeybee book were 2 books about nature that I hope she would enjoy. She enjoyed predicting what would happen within the books. Thank you for watching.